Hello, today I'd like to talk about the importance of dowel pins that are used to align the transmission to the engine block. On too many occasions, when we receive your original transmission, left in the converter housing is one of these alignment pins, which means that when you go to install one of our transmissions, that alignment pin is missing. And with that alignment pin missing, the transmission is not properly aligned to the engine, and that will cause damage to the converter and the pump, and you'll have to have another transmission. So you want to look for this dowel pin before sending us your unit. Remove this dowel pin from the transmission, put it back in the engine block. Now, sometimes due to vibration, these dowel pins wear terribly, and even the bore in the case of the bell housing, the converter housing, will wear, and we have to true that up on our end. But when you look at your dowel pin, you're going to want to look to see if there is going to be any wear in the dowel pin. If your dowel pins are severely worn, you may need to purchase new dowel pins so that your transmission will be properly aligned to the engine. And when it is not aligned, even if it's just slightly misaligned, it can also cause vibrations that you'll not be able to figure out. So please inspect your dowel pins.